In this video, I'll show you how to open Facebook Business Suite step by step. Meta Business Suite is the official tool for managing your Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, messages, posts, and ads from one place. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Suite or download the Meta Business Suite app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, sign in using the Facebook account that manages your business or Facebook page. After signing in, you'll see your business dashboard. If you manage more than one business, use the business selector at the top of the screen to choose the correct business portfolio or page. From the dashboard, you can create and schedule posts, reply to messages and comments, view page insights, manage notifications, and access business settings. You can also open Ads Manager, manage your ad accounts, connect Instagram, and invite team members to your business. If you can't access Business Suite, make sure you're signed in with the correct Facebook account and that you have permission to manage the business. That's how you can open and access Facebook Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.